Hello everyone, I'm Deborah. Welcome back to my kitchen. Thank you guys so much for joining me. So today, you guys, we are going to cook keto again. Specifically, we are going to make another appetizer. And today, what I have on the menu is some fried mozzarella. So you guys, if you want to learn how to make fried mozzarella ketofied, then stay with me and I will show you how coming up next. Welcome back, you guys. So what separates this particular recipe from a recipe that is non-keto is the breadcrumbs, you guys. So these breadcrumbs are keto friendly, they're homemade, and they are made from almond flour. And one of the things that I absolutely love about this particular recipe is that it started out with a keto almond flour biscuit, which I turned into a crouton, which I turned into these breadcrumbs. So I love the versatility, you guys. So again, we're going to use this in this particular recipe. I also used them previously in a fried zucchini recipe. If you've not yet seen that, check it out in the link above. So I am going to take these breadcrumbs, which I've already put some grated Parmesan cheese in here and a little bit of salt. And to this, I am going to add some Italian seasoning. And you guys, it's probably about a teaspoon. And I'm going to give this a mix and pour it into this bowl. This is my breading station here, you guys. And over here, I've got 1 egg. I'm going to whip this. And of course, over here, I've got my fresh mozzarella. So it's time to go ahead and dredge this into the egg and then into the breadcrumbs. And then after that, we are going to go over to the stove. All right, everyone. So we are going to start off by taking this mozzarella ball. Actually, let me go ahead and put a couple in here. And we're going to mix it around in this beaten egg to thoroughly coat it. And of course, all of this is for the purposes of having these breadcrumbs stick to the mozzarella ball. Okay. And into the breadcrumbs. Toss these around, these breadcrumbs, until these mozzarella balls are thoroughly coated. So I'm wondering, guys, if I should go back in for a second dip into that egg wash. I just may do that. Okay, let's go ahead and do exactly that. Yes, now that is the coating that I was looking for. That looks good. And I'm going to do exactly the same thing with the rest of these. And of course, you guys, you see my hands are all into this. And that's because I have thoroughly cleansed and sanitized these hands with my DIY foaming hand soap. And if you guys haven't seen that video, I will leave the link in that card above. All right, you guys. So off to the stove I go, where I've got a pan that has been preheated with some avocado oil, and I'll see you there. All right, everyone, let's go ahead and test this oil to see if it is ready, and it is. So into this oil, we are going to put this mozzarella. And if I did not mention it, which I do believe I did, this is avocado oil that we are frying these in. And I'm going to cook these until they are golden brown on this side, and then I'm going to flip them over and then continue cooking until the opposite side is golden brown as well. All right, everyone, let's take a look and see if these are, yes, these are ready to turn so that we can cook the opposite side. Oh, they look amazing. Okay, you guys, these are hot out of that pan, and I'm going to set them here and let some of this oil drain off of them, and then when I come back we are going to give them a taste. Okay, everyone, it's time to go ahead and give these a taste, and I cannot wait. So Lord, I thank you. You know what? This is finger food. Oh, so delicious. This, you guys, is amazing. Oh my gosh. And the Italian seasoning in those breadcrumbs just took it up a notch as far as the flavor is concerned. So good, you guys. And one of the things that I absolutely love about these recipes, you guys, is that I love them when I was not in keto. And it's such a wonderful thing to be able to find keto-friendly alternatives that are just as delicious as the original. And you guys, this is yet another one. So please do give it a try. And when you do, let everyone know just how good it is. Leave a thumbs up, please do share, and please do subscribe to my channel. Would love to have you along for my journey. And remember, you guys, remain safe, healthy, and encouraged. And remember, it is a great day, and you make it your own kind of special by finding and trying delicious keto-friendly recipes such as these. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I will see you guys real soon on my next I've Got Something to Say Too. Bon appetit.